Hi guys, it is 3:52. I have to be at work at 4 o'clock, and I am working from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. and then after this I go to I have a faculty meeting, so I have a day job today. I hope you guys are doing well. We will see what I'm doing today. Seems like I haven't been at work in a while here, but it's been a week or so. My new bid is great. I work 2 days a week. I work on Saturdays and Sundays. Today's Thursday. This is part of the old bid, and then the new bid starts tomorrow. So I'm going to be working early morning, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday from 4:45 to 8:15, and Sunday from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., which is perfect because it gives me enough time to be able to get my shift in and then be able to and not merely miss anything on the weekends. Also, it keeps my week open for my other jobs, so that's perfect. And certain weekends I do have to work at the hospital, but thank goodness I was able to do some trades. So that's the flexibility of working for the airlines. So I will see you guys and let you know what I'm going to be doing at the airport today. Today is to set up the plane, which means I need to just bring the jet bridges in, and then I am doing the forward pit, meaning I'm going in the pit and stacking the bags for the flight. So I need to take these down to get ready to load. So at this point, I am just waiting for them to bring me the bags. I am forward loader, so this is a very small compartment on this plane, thank goodness. So I just need to load the forward part. Great thing, I walked into the break room this morning and there are like 10 new hires. The great thing about new hires is that your seniority bumps up. That helps in everything. That helps in bids, that helps in flights, that helps in who gets to leave early when there are irregular operations. When it comes to bids, you bid ahead of them, you get better shifts. Flights, when you're flying, you get to be higher than them on the priority list. To irregular operations, and people have to stay because maybe there's a delay, they go according to seniority. So if you want to stay or if you don't want to stay, you're ahead. So it's a great thing. I love seeing new hires and bright, shiny faces as well. So right now I'm just gonna wait and chill out until they bring the bags. Done. There was a slight change of plans. I was going to load the forward pit, but then they called me out of the pit, got someone else to load that front pit and do carry-ons. So I ended up doing a lot of carry-ons. It was a full flight, so some people decided to check their luggage all the way through. And when you do it up at the gate and it's volunteer, like if a gate agent says something like who would like to check their bags through to their final destination, because the overhead bin space is limited. People normally, if you do it downstairs at the ticket counter, it's $25. But if you do it up at the gate to quote unquote help the airline out by alleviating the overhead bin space, it's free. So there were quite a few bags that were checked. I met some of the new hires. They were very nice. And I showed someone how to wing walk. So it was a productive day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.